Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate single leg raises, typically given for those who have knee problems or quadricep issues. So as the name suggests, you're going to raise one leg at a time. So you lay down on the back, you bend the knee that you're not working, the leg that you are going to work, you straighten it out, pull the ankle back to stabilize the knee, and gently lift the leg up. Some of you may be able to come up to a 45-degree angle, that's great. If not, go as high as you can, or as directed by your therapist. Come back down, let the heel touch, come back up, contracting the quadricep, coming back down, let the heel touch. What we've seen some people do that is wrong is that they try to bounce the leg in an attempt to complete the exercise quickly, like this. Okay, and sometimes the heel does not even touch the floor. Okay, this is not how it is usually done. So remember, start with the heel on the floor, pull the foot back, come up, hold, come back down in a controlled fashion. Do for the required amount of repetitions. And then, of course, when you're finished, you switch to the other leg. Like this. Up. Same principles apply. And down. Controlled. Now, as you get stronger and stronger, you can add weight to the exercise. The options that are available is that maybe a friend can put some light weight on, light pressure on the leg as you raise the leg, or alternatively, you can use ankle weights, or what some people term as sandbags. So, standard ankle weights here. These have the iron filings in them to give them some weight. And then, of course, you strap them around your ankle. They come in different weights, 1 pound, 2 pounds, 5 pounds, 10 pounds. It all depends. Alternatively, you have the adjustable ankle weights. If you notice these here, these have metal bars in them where you can take out and build up the weight or reduce the weight as is suitable. So what you do, normally would put them around the foot. Okay, so when it's done, it looks like this. Lay back down, and you lift. Same principles apply. The only difference now, you have added some weight to the exercise to make it more challenging. And back down. Okay, great.